Assalamualaikum 7th class, how are you? Hope so you will be fine. Today we are going to discuss unit number 1, the data processing cycle. In this chapter we will discuss stages of data processing cycle, different forms of processed data, the computer, a data processing system, the advantages of computerized system. We learned that the computer processes data into information. We use input devices like keyboards and scanners to enter data into the computer and output devices like printers and monitors to view information. The central processing unit CPU converts data into information. The information can be stored on primary storage devices like the RAM and secondary storage devices like hard disks and CDs. In this chapter, we will learn more about these steps and the data processing cycle. Students, आप already जानते हैं कि computer processing data into information हम use करते हैं input devices like keyboards, mouse and scanners to enter data, and output devices like printer and monitor, speaker, these are output devices. The central processing unit जो हमारा CPU है converts data into information. ये हमारे डाटा को कन्वर्ट करता है इंफॉर्मेशन में, और वो इंफॉर्मेशन हम स्टोर करते हैं प्राइमरी डिवाइसेस लाइक रोम and secondary devices like hard disk and CDs and pen drives. In this chapter, we will learn more about these steps and the data processing cycle. First, stages of data processing cycle. किसकी कौन सी stages हैं और हम कैसे data processing करते हैं. The input, processing, output and storage functions are all connected to each other. अब input, processing, output and storage, these are stages of processing process and these are all connected to each other. These steps take place in a sequence and sequence से first input करेंगे, then processing and output and storage. ये नहीं कि पहले store कर लेंगे फिर processing होगी output हो जाएगा last में. No, it's take place in a sequence: input, processing, output. The data processing cycle describes this sequence of steps for converting data into usable information. We describe this as a linear sequence. This is called linear sequence, linear data processing process. First input, processing and then output. It begins with input stage and ends at the output stage. We will now study these steps as a part of a cycle. This means that the end point of one sequence of activities becomes the starting point for another sequence of activities. First one है the input stage. Data exists all around us. We hear sounds through our ears and see objects with our eyes all the time. The input stage is the stage when data is fed into a data processing system to be converted into information. We know about the various devices that are used to provide such inputs. अब हमारे इर्द गिर्द डाटा एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, हम रोज वॉइसेस सुनते हैं और चीज़ें देखते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट को देखते हैं. हर टाइम हम ऑब्जर्वेशन में होते हैं, ऑब्जर्व कर रहे होते हैं. इनपुट स्टेज में क्या है कि डाटा आपका, जैसे आपने आई से सुना, अब सुना उसके बाद आपका ब्रेन जो है वो आप समझ लेंगे हमारा CPU है, प्रोसेसिंग हो रही है, वो रिकग्नाइज करेगा क्या है और फिर आप तो वो आपका CPU है. इनपुट क्या, आईज हो गई हैं आपकी, आपके ईयर्स हो गए, नोज आप स्मेल करने के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, ये सारे एज अ इनपुट यूज हो रहे हैं. और जो आपका प्रोसेसिंग है वो आपका ब्रेन कर रहा है. We know about the various devices that are used to provide